Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamualaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, in this video I am going to share with you most stunning and most beautiful crochet ideas for you guys. Guys, these are very beautiful, very stunning and very latest handmade ideas for you guys. So viewers, I'm very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. So guys, these are super amazing, super incredible and very latest collection for you guys. So guys, always remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. So always remember me in your prayers guys. Always think positive viewers, always be positive. Guys, these are very amazing and very stunning. Handmade crochet ideas for you guys. So viewers, keep supporting my channel guys, keep watching my videos. Guys, these are very amazing, very pretty and very latest ideas for you guys. Take care, bye bye, Hafiz.